Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hidaya Wakio. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you do subscribe to my channel. If you're an oldie, thank you for coming back. Thank you for always supporting me. I really appreciate you. So today in this video, as the title suggests, we're going to be trying on fake lashes. I've never put on lashes ever in my life because I don't know how to put them on, but I've been watching YouTube videos and I think now I have a clue on how I should go about it. So I went to the local beauty shop and got these lashes. This is, I don't know if you can focus, it's called Red Cherry. It says it's 100% human hair. I don't know how true that is, but yeah. And then I also got these lash glue. This is the Huda Beauty lash glue. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. You guys are going to see the whole process. I hope it turns out okay. So yeah, let's do that. So this is the lash. It doesn't feel so plastic. It's a good quality, I guess. Yeah, so from all the tutorials I've been seeing, people usually measure if it fits kwa macho yao. So yeah, let me do that. There's a mirror here, so I'll be using it to do the whole thing. Lashes, how are they supposed to? What? How are lashes supposed to look like? Do they face down or does it face up? I think it faces up. No, does it? I don't know. Let me see. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to put them like this. Yes, so I figured it out. Yeah, this one pretty much fits my eye, but I'm just going to cut it just because. So let me get my scissors. So I'm going to cut just a small part. I've put both the lashes here, they're together here. So I want to cut just a small part so that it doesn't look too big. So that's it. So this is how the lash is looking right now. It's now small. Okay, now let's put it on our eyes, guys. The tutorial I've been watching, people use these are, I think, forceps or something. Yeah, they attach them to the eyelash like this, and then you apply glue. So let's do all that. The lash glue, when you open it, it's sealed up here, so I want to prick it open with a pin. Ooh, fudge, what's up? So here is the lash. I'm applying the black glue on the, I don't know what this thing is called, the plastic side on the lash. Yeah, so I've applied. I think that's enough. I always see people, you wait for it to dry like 30 seconds. So this is a spoolie, I think. So I'm just using it to comb the eyelashes so that they're in order. Yeah. Okay, let's pray that this goes well. Okay. So Joanna said you should look down. Your mirror should be down. That's why I'll be looking down. This is my mirror. I'll be looking down. So, oh God, what is happening? I can't even put it. Okay. Let me just use my hands because what is happening? I don't know if you guys can see. Oh my God. I did it. You guys, I put put on a lash. Oh my god. Oh god. I've put on a lash. I've put on a lash. I'm so excited. Oh god. I've put on one lash. Before I start celebrating, let me put the other one. Because, hey, that was hectic. Okay. 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 Let's put the other one. So here's my lash, here's the glue. Hii glue inamwagika kumwagika. Huh? I think that's enough. Okay, let's wait for this one to dry. Okay, here goes nothing, you guys. Here goes nothing. No, let me just use my hands because I can't see anything. Oh my god, this one is going to backfire on me. Huh? Huh? Eh? You guys, eh? Some of the glue went on my eyelid. I'm trying to get that off. Can you see a difference? Ah, they look so nice. Oh my god. This is the first time I'm putting on lashes, you guys. Like, oh, I look so nice. Oh my god, I look so nice. I look so nice. Can you see? Can you see? It's my first time. Can you see? Mtaniweza. So guys, I have just put on some lipstick. I haven't done anything much, but just look at my eyes. Just look at them. They look so nice. They look so nice. Oh my god, they look so nice. And they're not dramatic at all. They're not dramatic. But like, for a first timer, I feel like there's something here. Like there's a shade here, you know. Something. So yeah, I guess that happens when you put them for the first time. I just feel like there's something here, like this. It's just shaking. Yeah, but I can see. So yeah, guys, that has been it from me today. Thank you for watching me try to put on lashes. If you're a beginner, you can definitely do this. Now I can say it with confidence. If you're a beginner, you can definitely learn how to put lashes on your eyes, because I think it's pretty easy. Like on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd say it's how easy, with 1 being the easiest. I'd say it's like 3. Yeah, 3 there. So yeah, it's definitely easy. You can try it and then you tell me if you like how the eyelashes feel on your eyes. Yeah, but that's it from me today, guys. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.